Well, indeed, climate change is a global issue. I'm glad the world has recognized the issue. I'm glad that countries are cooperating with each other to find solutions, to find green solutions. I am so happy that the Prime Minister of Pakistan, Prime Minister Imran Khan, and our Minister for Environment and Climate Change are leading from the front and are making people of Pakistan realize how vulnerable Pakistan is to climate change. You know, we can switch from drought conditions to being under flood conditions. That's the pendulum swings in such directions. So today's event, and I must thank the diplomatic corps, members of parliament, ministers to join us in the Foreign Office for this event. I'm sure this will go a long way in creating awareness within Pakistan on how important the issue is and what this government has done. We just saw these electric vehicles. Now this is a new policy that Prime Minister Imran Khan's government has announced, and that is supportive of environmental issues. The fact that we are going in for climate-friendly, environmental-friendly energy resources is again a recognition of the fact that Pakistan is a country, a developing country that is leading from the front.
We understand